Hello all, Cook with Love would like to thank all its little kitchen stars for their overwhelming response to our Little Chef contest. Though we had planned to announce 3 winners, but since you all have done so well, we have decided to feature all recipes by the kids every day over next week.
Here are our little chefs who will be showcasing their recipes this week.
So stay tuned and keep watching our Wonder Chefs create magic with their little fingers. Keep loving and supporting Cook with Love.